10 o'clock right now, and we've walked probably only a mile or 2 miles. I stopped in a cafe to attempt to edit some photographs of the stars last night, but they didn't turn out how I want it, and that took a long time. And then I went into a hardware store, got an adapter, met some Canadians, spoke English with them for a while. So slow start to the morning, but a nice one. So I thought I was gonna be able to get through here into the road over there, but the water's too deep, so I'm gonna have to go the very long way, all the way around. This is about the 4th river today that we've come across that's not on the map. Gotta find a way over it. There's just no point in the river where it's shallow enough to push the cart over. So I'm gonna have to unload the cart, take off my shoes, and carry everything over, and then get it back together. Now past the river. Normally this wouldn't make any sense just because it's difficult and it takes a while. I have to unpack my things, pack them up again, and the river stones kill my feet. But it was like 4 miles I would have to backtrack, with 2 miles and then another 2 miles to backtrack, so it just didn't make any sense to do that. And once again, having a difficult time finding a place to sleep. It's just so densely populated here, it's hard to find a little, hidden away place. But I'll find something, make it work. Well, we found somewhere. Let's set the tent right there. It's not perfectly flat, and there's a lot of rocks and twigs, but it's relatively hidden. There's only 10 minutes of daylight left, so found a place just in time. Another good day.